Yeah, this is John with Star Hill. We're going to talk today really about a starter chisel. In my opinion, you should start with an 1.5-inch chisel. You can do every operation in timber framing with an 1.5-inch chisel. You can cut a tenon, you can cut a mortise, you can clean up your corners, you can cut a scarf joint. There isn't anything that you can't do with an 1.5-inch chisel. It's an excellent place to start. And then once you got a little bit of experience and you've cut your frame and you kind of figure out your workflow and what you might want to do to speed things up, at that point you may add to your toolkit. But kind of the starting point is stop watching videos, get your hand on an 1.5-inch chisel, initialize it, learn to sharpen it, and try it out. This is a Star Hill 1.5-inch chisel. You can see it's got a black Cerakote coating on it. It is 100% tool steel, so it is light and nimble. This one's got a wooden handle. It's got a longer handle that allows you to get some body weight behind it. And you got a little ring on the top, and the little ring prevents your handle from splitting. This one's actually initialized, so you can see that the mushroom has started. In the description below, there's a link to the video that shows you how to initialize a Star Hill chisel. We've got a number of these in stock, and I personally made these whole stack sheaths for the chisels because I want to get these in the hands of new framers, and this is just really a nice, solid methodology for protecting your chisel. And what's nice about the Star Hill chisels is they have this convex grind, and that's a little different in the United States. What's really awesome about it is when you sharpen it, you're just sharpening a pencil line on the front and a pencil line on the back. So sharpening with this chisel is very, very straightforward. It's very quick, and we've got, I don't know, about 20 of them in stock, reserved for new framers. So if you're interested in this particular design or these particular chisels, go to starhilltimberworks.com. We'll have the link below. If this chisel, if the Star Hill chisel doesn't fit what you're looking for, there's a couple other options. I would check out the Arno 1 3/8. It's an all steel chisel designed to be tapped with a brass mallet. It's available on Amazon, and we'll drop both the chisel and the mallet link below. Another good option would be the Sorby. Sorby is a tang-style chisel. It's also available on Amazon. And framers have been using that chisel for a really long time. And the price points on those are probably substantially lower than a Star Hill or a Bar or some of the other chisels that are out there. But the important part is get an 1.5-inch chisel in your hand, start using it, practice it, initialize it, learn to sharpen, and then learn to pair. Learn how that chisel actually performs so you can start your first project.